doing, man? You coming to see me? Hanging out? All right, check it out. We did a lot today. These three windows are what I'm going to start calling my shapely windows. These are my shapy windows. Got this window over here in. So I love that because I can open that one, and then this one is the exact same size right here. And then we also started in on this door frame over here, which is exciting. So that was a whole day's worth of work to get these windows set in and caulked up and screwed in and zip taped and everything. But it is just awesome. It's an awesome feeling to be closing in on finishing. And look at how much natural light is in this room right now. And we still have one more window to go. And of course, every door has a window in it also. Of course,